silhouettes against the flames, firefighters trying to contain the blaze. They're not winning. More fires have ignited in Spain, in the northwest. Those in the east are still spreading. Thousands more people were forced to evacuate. It's heartbreaking, Jorge Garcia says. We're losing our identity, the place we grew up. Fires have started in Greece, in Crete. 3 firefighters were killed. This man says we were in danger, but with everyone's help, we escaped the worst. That relief right now is rare. On Wednesday, Spain's interior minister warned of 3 tough days ahead with strong winds and high temperatures. This woman says, we're scared for our village, for everything here. This man claiming no one is doing anything, that there aren't enough fire crews. Residents are trying to help. The situation in France remains complicated, that country's interior minister says. The weather Thursday had slightly improved, but the risk of more fires starting is extremely high. There were 26 in the country Wednesday, according to the minister. France called for other fire crews to help, like this Portuguese pilot.
We were able to see the fire from a long distance. As soon as we take off, we can see the huge column of smoke, of dark smoke.
When they can, firefighters build barriers and clear brush so the flames can't spread. Even with some successes, they can't afford to stop. Nathaniel Dove, Global News.